So it is given to you that this area of this semicircle you have your semicircle
Hello,
with
sir.
diameter
Are you there?
AB. Yes, what happened? This is your semicircle with center O. This is the area that is given to you. Area of the semicircle is given to you as 77 centimeter square. You are required to calculate the perimeter. So from here, what I'll do here is I'll say that the radius of the semicircle be R. Okay, so OA and OB are both R. Okay, so that means area will be, area of the semicircle is half pi r square, right? And half pi r square must be equal to, half pi r square must be equal to 77 centimeter square. Okay, in this question they have not taken, they have not given you pi, so that means you can take any value of pi you want. You want to take 3.14, you can take 3.14. You want to take 3.142, you can take 3.142. If you want to take 22 by 7, you can take 22 by 7. So since fractional values are convenient to deal with, I'll take it as 22 by 7. Okay, so this is um, you get 7 square. That means r is equal to square root of 7 square, which is 7 centimeters. So the radius you have got 7 centimeters. So what should be the perimeter? Perimeter is the length of this arc AB, semicircular arc. So let's find the length of the semicircular arc. Length of the semicircular arc is equal to half
2
2
pi
pi r,
r.
which is equal to pi r. Now put the value of pi 22 by 7 and put the value of r 7. This cancels. So length of the semicircular arc you get 22 centimeters. So the length of this arc, this one, is 22. What about this? This line, what is it? What is this length? 2r. So length of the also diameter AB is equal to 2r, which is 2 into radius. We have found 7, 14. So the length of AB, this one is 14, and the length of the semicircular arc here is 22. So what is the perimeter? 14 plus
36,
22.
22,
Hence
36.
perimeter of the semicircle is equal to 22 plus 14, 36. Okay, a simple one. Same problem, but this time we'll deal with quadrants. Let us look at this example. The perimeter of a tin sheet in the shape of a quadrant of a circle is 12.5 centimeters. Find its area. Take pi is equal to 22 by 7. So they have specified here the value of pi. Let us draw a quadrant of a circle. Let me draw a rough quadrant.
Sir, here the value is mentioned 22 by 7.
Yes, yes. So you have to take 22 by 7 only. You cannot take any other value. So this is 1/4 of a circle. Okay. And this is your center of the circle. OB is your radius. OA is your radius. Okay. So let us call it R. The perimeter of a thin sheet in the shape of a quadrant is 12.5. So in this case, the perimeter is given. You have to find out the area. In the semicircle, what was given? In the semicircle, the area was given. You have to find out the perimeter. In this case, the perimeter is given. You have to find out the area. In both cases, whether area is given, you have to find out perimeter or circumference, or if perimeter is given to you and you have to find area. In both the type of problems, you have to find out the radius first. So since perimeter is given here, with the help of perimeter, I shall find out the radius of the circle. So I start by saying let the radius be r. Okay. So if the radius is r, therefore what is the length of this this uh, arc of this quadrant?
Sir,
Length of
1/4
length of the
the length of the whole
arc
circle.
AB of the quadrant. Length of the whole circle. Why length of the whole circle of the quadrant
We will find
is
AB
equal to
now.
1/4 of 2 pi r, isn't it? 1/4 of the whole circle, right? So which is half of pi r. Okay. So let us keep it that way, half of pi r. We'll see what we can do, because r we don't know. And let us not put the value of pi also. Deal with pi later. Always remember, whenever you are dealing with pi, it is always convenient to put the value of pi at the last. Okay. As much as you can, you continue with pi. Okay. That will help you with your calculations. So this is half pi r. And what is the length of OA? OA is r and OB is also r. So therefore, what is the perimeter of the quadrant?
OA equals to B equals to R.
What is the perimeter of the quadrant? It is the length of OA
Sir, 2R
plus
plus
the length of
AB.
OB plus length of arc AB. Right or wrong? Both are r, and length of arc AB we just found out as half pi r. Right? So what are you getting here? You're getting 2r plus half pi r. Okay. This is the perimeter. And what is the perimeter given here? The perimeter is given to you as 12.5. No harm in simplifying this further. What you can do here is you can take r common and you get 2 plus pi by 2. Okay. So this is your perimeter that you are getting, r into 2 plus pi by 2. So therefore, r into 2 plus pi by 2 must be equal to, what is the perimeter given in this case? 12.5. Let's put 12.5. So from this we can find out the
12.5.
value of r, and then now we put pi is equal to 22 by 7. So if you put pi is equal to 22 by 7, now you can solve this equation, simple equation, linear equation, to get the value of r. So you get 2 plus 22 by 7 into 2 is equal to 12.5. Okay. So this will cancel here. You get r 2 plus 11 by 7 is equal to 12.5. And that means r, take the LCM, 14 plus 11 divided by 7 is equal to, convert this to a fraction also, 125 by 10. Cancel this,
10.
25 and 2 means you get 25r by 7 is equal to 25 by 2. That means r is equal to 25 into 7 divided by 2 into 25. After cross multiplying, you can find out r. So what you get here is r is equal to 7 by 2. That means 3.5 centimeters. You're getting the value of the radius. So once you have got the radius, I can now find out the area. Area of the quadrant of the circle. Area of the quadrant of a circle is equal to pi r square. In fact, 1/4 pi r square. Right? So 1/4 Now you put the value of pi. Put the value of pi, 22 by 7 into r square. Convenient to use the fraction instead of using 3.5. You use this fractional value 7 by 2. It is always easy to work with fractions. 1/4 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Okay.
And 7 cancels to 2211.
So if you cancel 11 times, 1 7 will cancel. So what you're going to get here is 77 by 8, which comes to 9.625 centimeter square, because we are dealing with area, so therefore centimeter square. Now this here is a note that any question from this problem.
No, sir.
I have a
Yes,
note.
sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, after you find the formula for the area, sir, from there. Sir, therefore, R bracket 2 plus pi by 2 from there, sir.
Okay, from here, r bracket 2 plus 11 by 7 from here, from this step.
No, sir, 2 step above.
Oh,
R
you
2
mean
plus
the
pi.
from this? If I take r common, then will I get to 2 plus pi by 2 or not?
Yes, sir.
If I'm taking this r and this r out, what am I left with? 2 plus half pi, isn't it? Half pi is pi by 2.
Sir, after this step, I am saying.
Okay, after this step. So you mean this step now?
Yes,
I've just
sir.
put the value of pi as 22 by 7. And if I have a fraction, in the numerator, that means this denominator of the this fraction will come here into 7. 22 by 7 by 2 means 22 in the numerator. It will stay in the numerator. This 7 will come in the denominator. It will become 7 into 2. Or you can think of it this way also. 22 by 7 divided by 2. That means 22 by 7. This division, when changes to multiplication by Bodmas rule, this becomes reciprocal. You can think of it this way also. Do you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that is what. Now I have given a small note here. This is not a very important note, because this is not in your not exactly, sums will not come. But this is a, I mean, especially if you're taking science, it is a very important note, because any sector of a circle that you take, if you want to find out this area, you must know this angle theta. Okay. If you know this angle, only then you will be able to find out the area of this sector of a circle. Or even if you want to find out the perimeter of this, even if you want to find out the perimeter of this sector, then you must know the angle. Okay, just go through this. If you want any explanation on this, then I will explain. Otherwise, this part is not there in your syllabus. Okay, let us see the first problem from the exercise. A road 3.5-meter wide surrounds a circular plot whose circumference is 44 meter. Find the cost of paving the road at 50 meter per meter square. So you have a circular plot. Okay, and what you have is, in this around this circular plot, a road has to be paved. Okay, and which should be of width 3.5 meters. So I mean, this your road should look something like this. Say something like this, circular road. Okay, not exactly a circle, but that is manageable. Okay, a circle. So this is your circular plot. The road has to be built here, and this has uniform width of This road has a uniform width of 3.5 meters. Okay, so this is 3.5, 3.5. This is also 3.5, 3.5 meters. Fine. Whose circumference is 44 meters. That means this smaller circle, let's call this center O. The smaller circle that you see, this has circumference 44 meters. Okay. The question is find the cost of paving the road at 50 per meter square. Now, what does this mean? The cost of paving the shaded area is 50 per meter square. That means if I can find out that this shaded area and then I can multiply by 50 to get the total cost, right? So what I'll do here is, if you see, I know the width of the road and I know the circumference of the smaller circle. I know the circumference of the smaller circle. So I can find out the radius of the smaller circle. That means I can find out this radius, right? So let's say the radius is r. So therefore 2 pi r must be equal to 44. Since nothing is mentioned, we'll take pi is equal to 22 by 7. Okay. So we'll say 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 44. That means r, cross multiply everything, and you find out r to be 7. So the radius, this radius is
7
7.
centimeter.
So what should be the larger radius? Radius of the outer circle?
Ra-
Radius of the outer circle
Radius of the outer circle.
is
7
small r.
plus
Let us say this r to be
Small.
capital R. Radius of the outer circle, let us say this is capital R.
Capital R.
It should be small r, radius of the smaller circle, plus the width of the road, 3.5,
Hmm.
yes sir. That means 7 plus 3.5.
which
Hmm.
comes to 10.5.
10.5.
Okay. So if this is 10, but that means we have got the larger radius and we have got the smaller radius. Okay, outer radius and the inner radius we have got. So therefore, what should be the area of the area of the area of the what have they said? What is the word that they have they used here? Um, road. Area of the road. Area of the road is nothing but the area of the shaded region, right? Shaded region, which is in the form of a circular ring. So its area should be pi capital R square minus small r square.
Hmm.
So pi
Pi
capital R is 10.5,
5
and
small r is
5 minus 7.
so put the value of pi now 22 by 7, and you can calculate 10.5 square and you can do the subtraction, but also you can use the a plus b into a minus b formula, because this is difference of two squares, a plus b into a minus b.
7.
This will simplify your calculation a little.
10.5 minus 7.
So this is 22 by 7
22
into
by
this will be
7 into
17.5 and this will be 2.5. Okay, so this will come out to be this will cancel, isn't it? Will cancel 2.5 times. So now if you multiply all this, you get 137.5 meter square. This is the
5
area of the road that surrounds the plot. Okay, and what is the cost?
meter square.
One, yes,
50 meter per.
1 meter square costs 50 rupees. So 1 meter
So
square
we'll
of paving the road
road
costs rupees 50.
per meter square.
Rupees 50. Therefore, the entire road whose area we have found out to be 137.5, 137.5 meter square of paving the
Multiplied
road
to
costs
50.
137.5 into 50
137. 50.
into 50. Okay, so this you can find out easy.
1 3.
If you want, there's an easier way of calculation. What you can do is You can multiply
6,875.
137.5 into 50. We want to make this 50 as into 100. So what we do is we multiply this by 2 and you divide this by 2 also. So what
6,875.
happens?
Gaurav, please wait, Gaurav. Sir,
137.5 into 100 divided by 2. Okay, so this will become 13750 by 2. Okay, so now you get rupees 6875. This is just a more
75.
convenient way of calculating. You can multiply it here only.
Sir,
Okay, but this is a more convenient way of
sir,
calculation. Yes, tell me.
sir, sir, why you did such